Are you looking for passive income ideas to help supplement your income? Then this video is for you. In it, we showcase 10 passive income opportunities that can provide you with a reliable stream of revenue. From online courses to niche blog content, these are all great ways to generate money without having to lift a finger. So don't wait any longer. Watch the video and see how easy it is to start generating passive income today. Number 1 is get involved in affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, you collaborate with a business to exhibit and advertise its goods and services. You get paid every time someone clicks on one of your affiliate links to visit one of your partners' websites. You may use your affiliate marketing alliances in a few different ways to generate passive revenue. You might include sponsors in your podcast or YouTube bios, link to their items in buying guides, assemble product reviews and video unboxings, and much more. You must conduct research to choose the best business to partner with and identify a brand that aligns with your core beliefs and the demands of your target market. For instance, if vegans make up the majority of your blog's readership, there's no purpose in becoming an affiliate for a butcher. Number 2 is to write an ebook. While creating and monetizing a blog is an excellent option for passive income, producing a book or ebook is even better because you only need to do it once. Instead of writing a blog, spend some time marketing a book or ebook that you wrote to share your creativity or area of expertise. You will get royalties every time someone purchases a copy. And if you hit the proper note, they can soon mount up. For a printed book, royalties typically range from 5 to 20% of the purchase price. Even more lucrative, paying roughly 25%, are ebooks. Royalties for audiobooks often range from 10% to 25%. It goes without saying that in order to make a livelihood as a writer, you must produce excellent books. But even a small number of purchases could give you the extra cash you require for an upcoming holiday or to get you one step closer to your early retirement objectives. Number 3 is create an online course. Making an online course that people may purchase repeatedly is a great way to generate passive revenue, just like writing a book. Yes, creating the course will require time, work, and experience, but once it is finished, you can put it online and profit from each sale. The topics you may cover in your online course these days are essentially limitless. Personal trainers could provide a library of fitness films, cooks could launch an online cooking school, and bookkeepers could teach others how to do their books. Basically, you may create an online course and make money from it if you have a skill or specialized expertise. Having said that, in order to create an online course that would actually sell, you might need to demonstrate relevant credentials and or expertise. However, even if you lack official qualifications, you might be able to make money with a YouTube channel. Everybody enjoys a good life tip. At number 4 is sell stock photos. If you're known for taking fantastic pictures and always have a camera with you, you may make money from your hobby by selling your photos to stock photography organizations. With this, you will share in the revenue whenever someone buys your photograph from a third-party website. The most well-known businesses are the ones to whom you should sell your photos, as these have the most customers who might see you, love, and buy your images. Try a Lamy, Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, etc. A nice camera isn't strictly necessary for this passive income concept because many stock image companies will purchase good quality images taken on a phone. At number 5 is create a print-on-demand store. Print-on-demand can help you commercialize your talent if you're an entrepreneur, designer, or creative professional. Working with suppliers, it entails customizing white label products like t-shirts, posters, backpacks, or books, then offering them for sale based on individual orders. You simply have to pay for the product after you sell it, much like dropshipping. You can quickly and easily produce things to sell in your Shopify store using a print-on-demand firm like Printful. In general, print-on-demand is a straightforward, low-risk passive income source that you can start using right away. At number 6 is start a dropshipping store. One of the best passive income opportunities, even if you don't have much in the way of cash flow to start with, is dropshipping. Some dropshippers claim to earn more than $100,000 annually. Dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scam, though, as it requires an initial time investment in order to make money. The dropshipping business strategy entails setting up an online store where clients can explore and purchase goods. Dropshipping is interesting since you don't have to see or handle the physical things you sell. When you dropship, your supplier takes care of the entire process, including manufacturing, packing, and fulfillment. Additionally, This passive income business has a low cash risk because you don't need to pay your supplier until after your consumers have made a payment. The danger associated with investing in a product that has no market is another one that can be avoided. To identify hot items in various markets to offer in your shop, use a platform like the DSers. You may be able to generate a sizable passive income and learn how to manage an e-commerce business depending on the product you select and your pricing. At number 7 is become a blogger. Although starting a blog can be difficult, blogging as a business concept has become increasingly popular as a passive revenue source. To make money online, you no longer need to be a well-known figure on the internet. Simply locate your audience on 1 or 2 platforms, then direct them to your website. Building a blog takes a little while, but if you produce high-quality material and advertise it on your platforms, you'll develop a large enough audience to bring in a sizable income. What's best? To start a blog, you don't need any programming or design expertise. You can quickly set up a blog with a content management system and hosting service like Shopify. Although it will take time to develop an SEO, marketing plan, and produce and promote the material, your efforts will be rewarded since, depending on how you monetize your blog, the return on these passive income investments can be as high as $30,000 per month. At number 8 is invest in the stock market. The stock market is a terrific method to create enduring wealth. Despite the high learning curve and potential for confusion, thinking in the short term rather than taking a long view to achieve financial objectives is a frequent error that most people make while investing money. Stock investments are intended to diversify your portfolio and lower risk. This can be accomplished by purchasing mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and equities with high dividend yields that produce income over the long term. You must open and fund a brokerage account at a reputable financial institution before you can begin investing in the stock market. At number 9 is start a YouTube channel. It's still possible to launch a YouTube channel. In the US, a staggering 74% of individuals utilize YouTube. That is a sizable audience to draw in for passive income. The problem? It takes a lot of work in the beginning for little to no reward. However, if you have a long-term perspective and don't mind front-loading your work, a successful YouTube channel has a great potential for passive revenue. As you build up content, clicks, and views as well as expand your audience, passive income streams like affiliate sales, sponsorships, branded integrations, and ads can all pile up. Consider Ali Abdaal's tale as an illustration of what is feasible. Within 4 years, he was making more money from his YouTube channel than he was from his UK-based medical practice. At number 10 is stake cryptocurrencies. The practice of staking crypto, or investing in many cryptocurrencies, can be a terrific method to generate a passive income of 5% to 10%. Consider it similar to earning interest on your savings, but with more rewards. What is the first step? Learn about proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies and how to access a cryptocurrency wallet first. To decide which coin to invest in, you'll need to educate yourself on the various options available. When you're ready, crypto exchanges like Coinbase or Kraken might be terrific options for purchasing cryptocurrency. After that, all that's left to do is wait for the returns on your assets and keep an eye on them. Your passive income stream will grow as a result of your better investing choices and increased knowledge of the cryptocurrency market. Remember that staking cryptocurrency entails risk of its own, just like any investment. You'll also need to devote a lot of time upfront studying about your possibilities so you can make smart investments.